How do scars affect our health? Scars negatively influence pain, stress and heart rate variability, metabolism, and circulation. Now, there is an answer. Scar release therapy is an innovative breakthrough in reducing patient pain levels and dramatically improving health and vitality. Scar release therapy non-invasively applies concentrated microcurrent into thickened scar tissue to reduce physical scar size and increase tissue pliability. Scar release therapy is so simple, you can treat your own scars and traumas in the privacy of your own home. Why would someone want to treat their scars? First reason, cosmetics. Scar release therapy improves the visible appearance of scars. Now science proves MPS reduces scar size. Clinical trials report a reduction of 23.82% after one application. Second reason, treating scars reduces pain. Research now links scars to chronic post-surgical pain, back pain, shoulder pain, neuropathic pain, and body-wide systemic pains. In a published study titled "The Successful Treatment of Chronic Pain Using Microcurrent Point Stimulation Applied to Scars," in the Journal of the International Journal of Complementary and Alternative Medicine, found that MPS reduced chronic pains 73% after a single application. Third reason, improving health and vitality by increasing heart rate variability by 38%. Hey Julie, I'm going to show you how to do an MPS scar release, okay? So you have 2 Dolphin Neurostim units. You're going to set the polarities on negative and biphasic. The negative biphasic is the optimal polarity for scar release. You're going to turn the unit on, okay, and make sure that your thumb is on the silver plate. I'm going to take the tips and place them right on either side of the scar, okay, about 1/4 of an inch or 1 centimeter on each side of the scar. And I'm going to make sure that I'm touching your skin too, because that allows the electricity to flow from the unit. So when I get ready, I'm going to press the buttons simultaneously, and it's going to deliver the current on each side of the scar, okay? And then after I hold each point for about 25 to 30 seconds, I'm going to move down the scar about 1/4 of an inch. Again, on each side, I'm going to press the buttons. And that's what we consider treating. And I'm going to go all the way down the length of the scar. You're going to take the units and you're going to put 1 unit on each end of the scar and press the button again for 25-30 seconds so that the electricity is running up through the length of the scar. This is what we call plugging the ends. And then you're going to repeat this process 3 times for our scar release. Okay, so after we've performed the scar release, the next step is to reconnect the electricity in the body. So spleen 6 is our big energy point. If you come down to the inside ankle, go 4 fingers above the medial malleolus, the apex. You're going to be right behind the tibia bone. So I'm going to take the unit that's on negative. I'm going to find that acupuncture point and make my light go out. With the other unit that still has the biphasic setting, I'm going to put on one end of the scar, and I'm going to press the buttons and hold for 25 or 30 seconds. Then I'm going to move to the middle of the scar and treat again. And then I'm going to do one more point at the end of the scar, 20 or 30 more seconds, And this is going to help to move the energy and the electricity up the front part of the body to reconnect through that scar. Okay, so the last part of the scar release, I'm going to do a circuit with acupuncture points on the top of the hand and the foot. This helps to clear out that whole midline with the energy and the fascia, so it's a nice benefit after a scar release, anywhere that's abdominal on the tummy. So I'm going to take both units on negative, okay, so negative, negative. I'm going to find large intestine 4, and I still have to get my skin contact. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to come down to stomach 44. And these 2 points are going to hook up and help to release the whole front midline, fascial, and circulation systems of the body. Make the lights go out, press the button, hold it for 25 or 30 seconds, and that's the last step. Congratulations! You have learned how to improve your wellness. To learn more about MPS Scar Release Therapy, go to mpstherapy.com or queenofscars.com.